Hi everybody, it's Brandon. Alright, here in a second there's going to be a brand new train that I've never seen in this area. Hopefully maybe you guys can tell me what it is and what you guys see. Right now I'm in Thompson Springs, Utah. It is getting very thundercloudy. So I pulled over before I get into the rain to see this train. So here in a second it'll get here and I'll show you kind of what I mean by I have no idea what it is. Still sitting here on the side of the road, a little bit windy, sorry about that. There's both my trailers. Cruising through the desert and such. I'm sitting on top of my truck to get the perfect view for this train. It's gonna be some crazy storms ahead. It's gonna be fun. Alright, I heard him. Oh, there he is. That's a red, white, and blue train out there being pulled by a single UP engine. And I've never seen that before. If you guys have any information on what kind of train that is, I would sure like to know. Has 6 passenger cars, looks like a head and tail locomotive. So it looks like a metro train for somewhere. Never seen him out here. Again, this is Thompson Springs, Utah. That little guy just kind of caught my eye because I've never seen him out here. Whoa. So I might try to get ahead of him again and get a better view on it. We'll see how it goes. But thank you guys. Whoa, way far away. We'll see you guys soon. Bye.